Hi everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have. I'm in the mug section, the dishes. Okay, so this caught my eye. All you need is love. Love coffee. All you need, love coffee. It's almost like there's a word missing. All you need is love and coffee. Okay, so then we have this one. Love is a four-legged word, and coffee is a hug in a mug. And I like these because these have the color inside and they're big, like soup mugs. So I think we saw that one. Be the person your dog thinks you are. And let's see what else they have. Okay, just nod and smile. That's cute. Don't you think that's cute? I like that. And then this one says, all you need, see, love coffee. All you need is love and coffee. I don't know, maybe that's me. Okay, guys, but these are new to my Dollar Tree. Very pretty. What is that one? When I needed a hand, I found your paw. Oh, look at these. Now, these are new. This one says congrats. That one says best teacher ever. Those are new to this Dollar Tree. That one over there says happy birthday. Okay. And look how huge these coffee cups are. This makes such a nice gift. I don't know why I always say that. I'm always saying that. Like, look at the size of these coffee cups. You can do anything with those. And no, they don't have to be for a gift. You can keep them for yourself. Very pretty. Rosé all day. And they're pretty stocked in their glass area, just so that you can see. Here, the coffee cups, they're 2 in a pack, and this one says bold and strong. See you latte. And this one says perk up. See you latte, perk up, grounded for life. Those are all new, guys. Then we have these, and look at this. This one says blessed. This is, there's only one left. I could scream. One bless. I gotta get that one. And this is the first time I'm seeing these containers. This is Never Lost. That brand. Never Lost. Here they have the flexible straws, and I never seen these plastics here, PBA free. And I never saw, this is a real dish. Okay, so we know about those studded white plates. And then here are the marble. I like those. Okay, so this is the kids' plasticware. I'm not spotting anything new there. But I am going to take this blessed. I am going to take that. So let's see what else they have. I love using these glasses here to craft with. And look at the colors. And look at this. Hello, gorgeous. Let's go see what they have over here. Okay, so we know we have these. This is in the front when you first come in. This is the little tiny box that says blessed and thankful. They still have these out. Take your time. And then this candle holder. And then this one over here with the bee. Then you have the little pigs in pink and white. And somebody placed that there. And there they are in black and white. And here are the bookends. Okay, let's see what's here. So we have the iridescent here, the snow globes. So this one says hope, peace, and joy. Here's the owl, salt and pepper. And here are these decor pieces. Oh, look, and down here they have 2 more left of the trick-or-treat boxes. Let's see what's on this side. So then they have the pumpkin candles, and then they have these. And here they are, the purple ones are in the back. And then here's another gift box. And look at these tea holders for Christmas. There they are in the red and the green, and some more boxes along the bottom, and some more boxes here on the side. Look at this. Okay, so they bought the leaf tumblers, and these, I love these. This one says gather, and then over here you have the turkey and the pumpkins, and there are the pumpkin decor, and there they are in the whites. Then they bought these back, and here are some stickers. Somebody shoved those there, and those are the craft containers, and some more ribbon. Wow. And there are the grateful, thankful, and blessed, and these are the big paper bowls. Okay guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. Oh look, they bought the cotton stems back. Wow, how beautiful. Oh, look at these. And these are the baby poinsettias. And these are, what are these? They look like sunflowers. And look at the picks. Very beautiful, guys. Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to take a walk around and see what they have, and I'll see you in the next video.